So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan and welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to download the VS Code editor and we are going to install the live server extension. So in previous video we had covered the basics of web development and we had seen what is front-end development and what is back-end development, and we had also covered the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you haven't watched that video, so go and watch it. I'll give the link in the description box. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. So to download this VS Code editor, just go to your browser and search VS Code download, and then go to the first link and then download for your operating system. I am using Windows, so I'll go for Windows. So now choose the location where you want to download. So I will choose desktop and just save it. So now as you can see, our download has been started. So I'll pause this download because I have already downloaded. So after downloading this exe setup, you can see this is my exe setup. Now we need to install this setup, so just double click on it. So it is asking me the permission, so I will accept this agreement and just click on next, and just take mark this all options and click on next and just click on install. I will not click because I had already installed this VS Code. So after installing the VS Code, we need to create a new folder. So I'll right click here and I will create a new folder, and I will name this folder as complete web development. And after creating this folder, I will just open this folder and just right click here, and you can see the option open with code. Just click on it. So now as you can see, our folder is open in the VS Code editor. So I will just close this file. So now we need to install the live server extension. So how we can install it? So just click on extensions and then search here live server. So click on the first option. So this is the extension. You need to install this. I had already installed this extension. So after installing this extension, just close this and come to our file section. So we will create a new file. So just right click here and create a new file. So I will name this file as tutorial1.html. So after creating this file, so this .html extension represents that this is our HTML file. So after creating this file, we need to write our HTML code. So I will just write exclamation mark here, and you can see the VS Code is suggesting me. So I'll just enter here.
A few moments later.
As you can see, our HTML boilerplate is ready. So this doc type HTML represents the version of HTML. In our heading tag, head tag, there is our title tag. This is our website's title. So I will change this title to tutorial 1. So after changing the title, I will come in my body tag and I will just write h1. So after writing h1, the VS Code is suggesting me, so I will just enter. So in this h1 tag, I will just write welcome to our website. So after writing this, just Ctrl S to save here, and you can see at the bottom right corner there is go live option. So just click on it. So now you can see welcome to our website is displayed on our web page. So we had mentioned the title as tutorial 1. So you can see the title of our website is tutorial 1 and this is our heading, welcome to our website. Now if I change my heading to web page, and now if I save, you can see our web page is now changed. So the use of live server is that it refreshes the page. When we save our code, it automatically refreshes our web page. So this is the use of live server, and we had created our first web page. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.